English essay Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was born in Allahabad on November 14, 1889. He was the son of Motilal and Swarup Rani. Jawaharlal Nehru was educated in England. He became a barrister. He returned to India in 1916. Jawaharlal Nehru came in contact with Gandhiji in 1916. He was inspired by Gandhiji's idea. Therefore, he joined Gandhiji in the freedom struggle of India. He was sent to jail many times by the British. Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of independent India. Jawaharlal Nehru was a well-read man. He wrote The Discovery of India and Glimpses of World History during his term in jail. Jawaharlal Nehru always wore a red rose on his jacket. He loved children very much. They fondly called him Chacha Nehru. His birthday is celebrated as Children's Day in India. Jawaharlal Nehru died on May 27, 1964. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe.